She's just very excited. She's just very excited.
I want to feed you some Pocky.
Me?
Yeah, with my mouth. Like,
She's
you
the
can be my
feeder.
little baby bird, and I'll chew it, and then I'll into your mouth. Because I know that you don't have any teeth.
Chew food myself, Gigi.
No.
Laura, I wouldn't let her speak to you like that. Ew.
Gigi will be called Mama.
Yeah, I'll be the mama.
Mama.
Open wide, Raora. You're gonna have to get your nutrients somehow. Open wide.
I can eat myself, Gigi.
Come on,
I'm a
turn
cat.
face
I'm not a
me.
bird.
Face me. Come here. Come here.
Here we see the wild Gigi feeding her young. Wow, nature is amazing.